Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sure you are all enjoying these videos. Don't enjoy only, please subscribe, comment and even share so that you will enjoy more videos on this channel. Right, so we are given this question on matrices. Remember, we are still on 3 by 3 matrix. So for now we are going to looking on how to multiply 3 by 3 matrices. We are going to multiply 3 by 3 matrices. We are going to multiply 3 by 3 matrices. Like as we are given that A is equals to 3, 0, 4. Then the second row is 4, 2, 3. Then third row is negative 1, 1, 2. And you are given the matrix B as 2, 1, 0 from the first row, and 4, negative 2, 3 from the second row, and third row is 2, 0, minus 3. And we are asked to evaluate AB. How to evaluate AB? Let's move on to the solution together on how to simplify this one or to evaluate this one. As we are given the matrix A, and we are also given the matrix B, and we are going to evaluate AB together. So let's now move on to the solution on how to evaluate this given question. So we are saying A is given as 3. A is given as 3, 0, 4, 4, 2, 3, negative 1, 1, 2 is multiplying the matrix B, which is 2, 1, 0, 4, negative 2, 3, then 2, 0, negative 3. We are going to evaluate this one together. A, matrix A is that one, and also matrix B is also given. Then we are going to evaluate AB and leaving our answer in simplest form. So let's now evaluate this one. So for multiplication of a 3 by 3 or even a 2 by 2 matrix, or multiplication of matrices, we are going to say a row by column. So we are going to say row by column. Row by column. So row by column. So we are saying 3 times 2. We are going to say 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 6 plus so we are saying 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 0 times 4, which is 0, 4 times 2, which is plus 8. As I said, you are going to say a row by column, row times column. So the first row is multiplying the first column. So 6 times 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 0 times 4, which is 0, 4 times 2, which is 8. Let's move on to the second value. We are saying first row times second column. So 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 0 times minus 2, which is minus 2. So plus and minus becomes negative, right? 4 times 0, which is plus 0. Let's move on to the last value on the first row. 3 times 0. So we are going to say first row times last column. 3 times 0 becomes 0. 0 times 3 becomes 3 times 0 becomes 0. 0 times 3 becomes 0 again. 4 times minus 3 becomes negative 12. Let's move on to the second row. Moving on to the second row. So second row times first column to get this value. 4 times 2, which is 8. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2 times 4, which is 8 again, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. Let's move on to the second row times second column. So we are saying 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 times negative 2 becomes negative 4 here. Negative 4 here. Then 3 times 0 becomes plus 0. Let's move on to the last value. So second row times last column. So 4 times 0 becomes 0. 2 times 3 becomes 6. Then 3 times negative 3 becomes negative 9. Then let's move on to the last row, first column. So negative 1 times 2 becomes negative 2. Then 1 times 4 becomes plus 4. 2 times 2 becomes 4. Then second column, third row. Negative 1 times, we are saying negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1. 1 times negative 2, which is minus 2. 2 times 0 becomes 0. Then last row, last column. Negative 1 times 0 becomes 0. 1 times 3 becomes 3. 2 times negative 3 becomes negative 6. This is equals to, let's now simplify. 6 plus 0 plus 8 becomes 6 plus 8 becomes 14. 14 here. 3 minus 2 plus 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1. Then 0 plus 0, which is 0, minus 12, which is negative 12 here. Then 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6, which is 22. 22. 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 0, which is 0. 0 plus 6, which is 6. 6 minus 9, which is negative 3. So minus 2 plus 4, or 4 plus 4 is 8. So minus 2 plus 8, which is 6. Then minus 1, minus 2, which is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 0, which is negative 3. So 0 plus 3, which is 3. 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. So this is how to evaluate matrices under multiplication of a 3 by 3 matrix. Thank you guys for being together on this lesson. As I said, after watching this simple video on multiplication of 3 by 3 matrices, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share with others. Thank you so much.